In the last video, we were making our snowman. You will get the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Now let's start. Now we will add more sticks to the frame by folding it like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. To make a round shape, add sticks in this way. Now we will add more sticks to the frame like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. To make the bottom round shape, we will add sticks to it like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. The big gap in the middle will be covered with sticks. This gap will also be covered with sticks. It is done, you can see. Now we will cover it by sticking newspaper. It is done, you can see. Now we will take it out of the cylinder. Now we will make the belly of our snowman. We will connect 4 sticks in a ring like this. Put it on the cylinder. Mark on the stick at 6 inches. We'll add a ring to the mark. Now we will mark on the stick at 9 inches. We'll add a ring to the mark. Now we will add sticks to all the gaps. The stick will be folded and attached to the frame like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. Now we will mark on the sticks at 6 inches. By folding the sticks to the mark, add them to the frame like this. All sticks are connected, you can see. To give a round shape, we will add sticks to it like this. Fold the stick like this and add it to the bottom. Mark on 3 inches and add to the frame like this. Now we will fold a stick and add it to the bottom like this. We'll cover the big gap of the frame with sticks. All the gaps will also be covered with sticks. In the next part of the video, we will complete our snowman. You will find the link of that video in the description and in the I button above. Friends, how did you like our video? Please tell by liking and commenting. If you like it, please share and also subscribe our channel.